junk here from? Where do all these junk tools from? From over there. Hey, there's a motor under here. Okay, we got our manifold back. It's now black for some reason. Looks nice though. Got our new rubbers on here and our new everything else. Okay, we're looking at our hardware here. What'd you do with those crappy bolts we had?
Throw them in the blue box. Back on the clean out.
Hiding this stuff.
Putting it in the garbage.
It was garbage, but that doesn't mean you hide it yet. Okay, these are hex heads, so you can see you have to round it off because they're not hex. Doesn't look good. These are hex too, but they're opposite. They're internal. You look at the holes, you can see how they're getting kind of round looking, instead of being nice and sharp like these ones. So when they start looking like that, they're getting bad. This one here is okay, but this one's bad. And we tapped the holes in the head up here deeper. I have to show it. You looking at it don't help. So now we can put these longer bolts here and there. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can put these longer ones in there. So the way you check that is you put them in the head. See if they're going deep enough. Is that deep enough?
Yep.
In case you forget, the flange is this thick, so if you can't put the wrench in there and the wrench is thicker than the flange, that means it must be good. So that would be called an upgrade and a downgrade right there. Pretty good. Well, obviously, it will take a lot more to strip this one out than this one, because these do strip out. So we change those. So we'll go ahead and check all four, make sure they're all good for the depth. And looks good. Go ahead and check these ones here also. Yep. Well, we didn't drill these holes any deeper, we just threaded them all the way to the bottom of the factory holes. Harley didn't drill them. They drilled them good, but they didn't tap them all the way down. So there we go. We got full length threads now. Alright, so we're going to get rid of these crappy bolts and move up to the good stuff. I'll get rid of this crap. Okay, we got two different torque wrenches we can use. We got a clicker style and we have a dial style. I like dial because I can see what the bolts are doing when I'm torquing them. I can see if they're getting soft or what's going on. So, you don't like my old dial? You can't read it?
Oh, the plastic. The glare from the light.
That's special aged plastic. See how it's yellow? Because it's older than you and me. Only both of us together. I checked it once, so it was still accurate. See, that was made by Torque Meter. How old is that? This one's only made by Snap-on. It's only 20 years old. Maybe 25.
I pulled these four out of the backside.
Uh-oh. We lost our bolts already. Alright. So we'll see what torque wrench we're going to use. Maybe we'll use both. Where are these sitting over here?
Trying to put everything in your way.
Hey, I got a workbench again. Alright. Look how much room I got over here. Jeez, got room for tools. Pull this ugly motor out. I used to have a socket laying around here for that.
Still sitting there.
Just lay on this torque wrench now. Gaskets right here. Junk manifolds that don't fit. Okay, we're going to use some James fancy gaskets here instead of using the crappy looking ones. There we go. There, look at those. Look at the difference. These got goop on these. They must be better. Interruptions.